What's up guys, and it's time for the best selling phone globally, aka iPhone 11, to take on what could be the best selling phone from Samsung, the Galaxy S20 FE. The battle of $699 price. Of course, Apple is about to release the iPhone 12 very soon, so I'll do another video on that, but let's see how does the S20 FE currently compares with the iPhone 11. The S20 FE is a colorful, happy plastic boy. iPhone 11 is happy, colorful as well, but with a premium glass and aluminum combo. And honestly, iPhone just feels premium in hand. Both devices are IP68 water and dust resistant. Both sports wireless charging, but S20 FE can actually do reverse wireless charging. The S20 FE also comes with a 25-watt fast charger out of the box that promises 50% battery in just 30 minutes. The iPhone 11 on the other hand only rocks a 5-watt charger out of the box, so you have to buy the fast 18-watt charger separately from Apple or a third-party brand, which you would do with the iPhone 12 as well. Now display-wise, this is where it's not even funny. The S20 FE just crushes the iPhone 11 with its AMOLED 120Hz 1080p display. The display does support HDR10, so it's really crisp, whereas the iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch LCD liquid retina display with 60Hz refresh rate. If you look at the sales of the iPhone 11, it does show that majority of people don't really care about LCD or OLED, but the facts don't lie. The S20 FE, not only does it have OLED, it has 120Hz, which is the current 2020 smartphone standard. Now the S20 FE is not the best of Samsung when it comes to the design. Still, it has slimmer bezels than the iPhone 11 if you look closely, and of course the punch hole looks much more cleaner than the notch. The Galaxy S20 FE allows you to wirelessly connect it to any smart TV via Samsung DeX. It basically transformed this phone into a mini laptop. One UI 2.5 definitely brings a lot of features. The iPhone 11 on the other hand comes with iOS 14, which has excellent privacy and top of the line app optimization. They recently added the support for widgets, and honestly iOS 14 just looks really good. It also works seamlessly with Apple Mac devices. The S20 FE on the other hand works seamlessly with Windows thanks to the collaboration between Samsung and Microsoft. So both phones are trading blows when it comes to software. When we talk about the internal specs, this is where it gets a bit confusing. The iPhone 11 comes with Apple A13 chip, while the S20 FE rocks the Snapdragon 865/Exynos 990 depending on your market. So if you're from India, chances are you're getting the Exynos 990 model. If you're from the UK or Europe or US or pretty much anywhere where there is 5G availability, then you're getting the Snapdragon 865 model. The Apple A13 is faster than both. I guess 865 can match the A13, but the Exynos 990 is definitely not on the same level. The Apple A13 is a very powerful chip. Still, even after a year, the iPhone 11 runs pretty smooth. Something I expect from the S20 FE no matter what variant you buy. It's just that certain things like thermals as well as long-term gaming, which is better on the Snapdragon 865 Galaxy S20 FE. As always, I'll be doing a speed test in the future, so stay tuned for that. Now, the Galaxy S20 FE has the same camera setup as the S20. The iPhone 11 has the same camera setup as the iPhone 11 Pro series, but Samsung gives you the extra zoom on the S20 FE 8-megapixel telephoto that gives you 3x lossless zoom and then up to 30x digital zoom. This gives you more versatility when it comes to your overall camera experience. Both phones can shoot 4K 60 FPS video from both front and back cameras. The iPhone can further take that to the next level with 1080p 120Hz videos. The iPhone 11 series is famous for its amazing video capabilities. The camera has proved to be a worthy competitor to the latest devices despite being a year old. It does have an edge over the Galaxy phones when you look at the skin tones, and also it produces brighter video in the low light situation, but Samsung has great performance with the zoom and detail, especially with the ultra wide angle lens. The night mode is very much working on all lenses on Samsung, whereas iPhone 11 only provides you night mode with the main camera sensor. Now the iPhone 11 is not the best from Apple as of now. It's gonna get replaced by the iPhone 12 really soon. That's gonna happen in the month of October, so we'll see more of a mashed comparison. Now, when we talk about the battery on both phones, the iPhone 11 is one of the best phones when it comes to the battery performance. It's been tested a number of times, but the Galaxy S20 FE, despite its 120Hz display, it can still give you a full day of usage, as Samsung promises that, thanks to a 4500 mAh battery. All in all, I feel like the S20 FE currently for $699 is more of a latest package and more of a up-to-date package with more features compared to the iPhone 11. I mean, the 60Hz LCD display and that big notch is just way too outdated in my opinion. You also get 5G on the S20 FE, so that's also a plus point if you're from that market. Now, some people are fine with the iPhone 11 design, which is why it is the best-selling phone globally. Apple is improving a lot of things with the iPhone 12, like having an OLED display and also slimming down the bezels and making it a lot more premium with that iPhone 5 style boxy design. We'll see when that comes out, but right now S20 FE is sweeping the house in my opinion. But let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.